Hey everyone, my name is Riley. I'm with Proline Range Hoods. Today we will be unboxing the PLJW 12930 and showing you what's inside. So when you receive the box, it should look like this. It shouldn't have any damage to it. You want to inspect the box, make sure if there was any damage to the box when you open it up, inspect that, especially on the Range Hood, to make sure if it was damaged, you can contact us within the 14-day policy, and then we can get you a hood shipped out to you to replace that one. So now we'll open the hood. So when you are opening the box, you will see a set of instructions. You want to follow that the best way possible. That way we can follow our procedure. So when you open the box up, first thing on there will be this little mounting bracket for your chimney. Then there's just a bunch of foam for packaging reasons. You'll want to remove that. Then you'll see the chimney along with some other pieces in there, and this is when the fun part begins. So you'll pull the chimney out. It'll come in two pieces. They slide, so be careful you don't drop one or the other. More foam. Next piece you'll pull out is our filters, and we'll talk about these a little bit later. In here, or in one of the side blocks, you'll have the transition piece and the mounting bracket. We'll talk about these in a minute. So after you remove all the foam, you'll have the hood in here, and you'll want to remove that last. All right, so once you take everything out of the box and then remove the hood, it should be in this cloth. You want to remove the cloth and inspect your hood. You'll see that you have your 900 CFM blower here. Then you got your lights and then the touch panel. You want to inspect, if it's a wall hood, it'll be all three sides. If it's an island, you want to inspect all four. So in your filter box, you'll get the manual for the hood along with a bag of hardware. And then the two filters for this hood. If it's a larger hood, you'll have more filters, but this is the smallest hood, so you always have two. To place the filters, you want to put the bottom in first. There's these two little metal tabs, and they insert into the bottom little pieces. Then you'll slide the latch down, place the filter in, and make sure it locks in place. Second one, you'll do the same exact thing. Slide the bottom in, make sure that they both lock in. Use the clasp, let it slide in, make sure that it locks. As far as the top of the hood goes, you'll have your power cord located on the front left-hand side, and this power cord is about 3.5 to 4 feet long. Then, the transition piece that will fit right over the opening of the vent. This transition piece has a damper in it. Lastly, there's your wall mount bracket. You'll attach this wall mount bracket to these 6 holes, and then you'll attach the other side to the wall, and then these two pieces will slide together. Okay, so lastly we have the chimney. It's all stainless steel, and you will need to remove the covering that is on it when you receive the hood. To install, you'll need the mounting bracket, or the chimney bracket. You'll slide it up, attach the chimney bracket to the wall, and then to the chimney itself. This is what you should expect when you receive your 129 model. If you ever have any questions, go ahead and give us a call. We'd love to take care of you.